Hello, Paul here. In this presentation, I want to share with you the 7 steps, what I call the 7-step internet success formula. This formula is very powerful, it's very potent. If you have the discipline to follow this formula, you are going to succeed beyond your expectations. You are going to succeed beyond your expectations. The formula is a circle. Inside that circle is you as maybe service provider. Everything revolves around you. So these are the 7 stages or the 7 steps you must pass through to make it big online. So succeed online. The first is, you would guess, is learning. So the first step is learn aggressively. Internet business is complex, it's complicated. And if you just are superficial, maybe just have 1 or 2 ideas and then you jump in, you're not going to make any progress. So learn everything that needs to be learned. Learn how to create products, learn how to build leads, get subscribers, get customers, convert subscribers to customers, and so on. So learning, I said learn aggressively. That's step 1. Step 2, you must be visible, both on and offline. More so online. You must do things that people will come to discover you. Who is this guy? Who is this person? You must do things. You must be prolific. You must create audio products, video products, different types of products. You must be visible. You must be there online, social media, all the social medias. Of course, there are so many of them, but just choose 3 that you want to become the king. Either Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, depending. Pinterest, there are many of them. But you must be visible online. You must be able to optimize and get a good profile. So people across all spectrum, people know who is this guy. So you must be visible, and you are visible when you produce. People like Brendan Butcher produce a lot and they are very visible. Brendan, for instance, has more than 1 million followers on Instagram. He has more than 5 million on Facebook. That is where you are visible, through being prolific producer. All right, number 3 is build strong relationships. A lot of people jump to monetizing. You don't even know somebody, you start selling. Please buy my product, please buy my product. That is not the right way. The right way is to build relationships with people. Start with the low-hanging fruits, people that know you or associates and so on, so forth. Build relationship 1 person at a time, 1 person at a time, 1 person at a time. And until you reach that point of no return, which is about 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers is no point of return. If you can build up to 10,000 subscribers, then you are on your way. This 4th stage is build a mailing list. So from your relationships, you have already started building a mailing list. From your relationships, you have started building a mailing list, because without the list, you will have no people to sell to. So build a list. Start with 1 person, move to 100 people, and then move to 200 people, move to 1,000 people, and know how to use the different tools to build this list. All right? There are different tools out there for list building. Learn how to use them. All right? Content management systems, list building systems. So that is number 4. And number 5, have something to offer. Have products. Because if you have a list as big as, of course, you can actually sell without having your products, but it's more profitable when you have your products. Because if you sell as an affiliate, you'll only be getting commission. But when you sell your own products, you'll be keeping everything by yourself. All right? So have something to offer. Have products that you can sell, you can monetize. All right? And your offers must be irresistible. Your products must be good quality, because they are competing with people almost all over the world. Of course, you must start somewhere. I'm not talking about perfection, that you have to be perfect from day one. No, I'm not even perfect. I'm just learning, just like every other person started. Brendan Burchard, when I looked at Brendan Burchard 8 years ago, it's quite different from Brendan Burchard of today. All right, because those are the people I learned from. So I mentioned their names. People like Rami Sethi. Rami Sethi, when he started, I cannot believe it. His first product was just for $4.60, and today he sells products of $10,000, $20,000. So have something to offer, and then start to specialize so people know you as the specialist in social area. And then I said, master online marketing and sales. Of course, if you want to scale, if you want to reach thousands of people, then you must know how to do online marketing and sales. And I keep saying at the very, very beginning, you don't really need to master those things. Just start with reaching out to your friends, reaching out to people, calling them on phone, and to build your list. But for you to reach 10,000 and beyond, then you must learn how to do the other things. Because there are various ways of building traffic, building leads, subscribers, organic and inorganic. Of course, if you by the time you reach 10,000 and you need to move further to reach the next phase, 100,000, organic might not work so spectacularly. All right, you might need to do some inorganic like advertisement and so on and so forth. And then number 7, perfect strategies to win long term. People with the best strategies are the people that win long term. So you must think, you must be creative, you must be innovative. Look at what is working. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. Look at what is working with other people and then follow their lead. Okay? So, just in summary, everything revolves around you. You are in the center, it's a circle, you are in the center of the circle. So, step 1, learn aggressively. Step 2, be visible on and offline. Step 3, build relationships. And then step 4, build a mailing list. Step 5, create products. Learn how to make irresistible offers. Step 6, learn marketing. Master marketing and sales. And then step 7, perfect strategies to win long term. If you follow these steps, you are going to win in a sustainable basis, on a sustainable basis. Thank you.